Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me for the Night Watchman Ghost Tours. Let's go back in time to the year of 1999 and let's meet Garrett. Garrett and his friends were young and working across the street at the tavern. This particular night, it was Garrett's turn to take out the garbage. As Garrett walked across the street and reached the courtyard, he felt a cold breeze wisp by his right shoulder. He continued into the courtyard and was surprised to see a woman dressed much like I am, silently hanging up laundry over the bushes that used to line the fence. Garrett also noticed garments and white sheets spread across the courtyard picnic tables. Seeing reenactors dressed like this was nothing unusual for Garrett here in this town of St. Augustine, as that is an everyday occurrence. He stopped to say hello to the woman, but she didn't respond. Garrett felt a chill and suddenly got goosebumps. Her long skirt was blowing in the breeze. The laundry was flapping over the bushes, but there was no wind that night. Garrett was certain he was seeing a ghost. He dropped the bag and ran back across the street to the tavern and grabbed his friend. Upon returning to the courtyard, they did not see her. Garrett looked around and spotted the woman back here in the back, silently hanging up more laundry. He pointed her out to his friend, who clearly saw her under this very tree. They walked up to her and tried to get her attention. She never stopped her laundry duties and never acknowledged their presence. Garrett dared his friend to go up and touch her, but he wouldn't. They ran back across the street and grabbed the final friends. But by the time they returned, the laundry lady had vanished. She was gone, and the laundry was gone. Nothing remains but that bag of garbage. None of them wanted to go back and retrieve that bag of garbage in fear that she might return. Now you see residual energy coming from repetitive actions over a long period of time is very familiar to my world. This building here served as a bakery for the troops, and the woman living upstairs took care of the laundry for many of them under the command of her husband, Jose Salcedo.
Thanks for watching. See America Tours is proud to present the Night Watchman Ghost Tours. This is one of many from the Ghost series. You want to know what you should do next? Hit the subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss the St. Augustine Ghost series. Blessings to you.